Welcome to the Tech Support Channel. Let's get started with a new video. Dual LAN NVR installation. Let's start with the NVR, the SF NVR 8432A 16PB2. This NVR does not have only the dual LAN option, but also 16 power over Ethernet ports. Well, when it is possible, it is very common to connect the first 16 cameras on the power over Ethernet connections and the rest over the local area network. However, we will avoid this approach, as running 16 or more cameras on the main local network could potentially hinder other network traffic. Instead, we will utilize the second network port on the NVR for this purpose. So what do we need? Let's start with another power over Ethernet switch. For this demo, we are going to use the RGES220GSP. At first, connect the uplink from the power over Ethernet switch to the second LAN port from the NVR. With the second LAN now connected, let's review the other components we've already set up. Here we have the main local network that is connected to the LAN 1. This can give users access to the NVR using a computer or mobile app. The cameras are connected to the power over Ethernet from the recorder, while the power over Ethernet switch is linked to the second LAN, and the remaining cameras are connected through the power over Ethernet switch. How does it work with the IP addresses? The NVR has 3 network configurations, and each must be in a different network range. From the main local network, we can either utilize DHCP or assign a static IP address for use. From the main local network LAN 1, we get or assign the IP address 192.168.1.101. The power over Ethernet from the Sapphire Smart NVR has the default IP range of 10.151.151. For the second LAN, we can assign any IP address, as long as it does not fall within the ranges 192.168.1 or 10.151.151. To keep things simple, we'll use the range 20.20.20. To streamline the installation process, we can add another REE router. For this demonstration, we'll use the REE RGEG105GV3. This router simplifies access to both the IP cameras and the NVR, especially when connecting the laptop to the same network. Looking ahead, all the cameras on LAN 2 and the NVR will be easily accessible via the cloud, eliminating the need for complex port forwarding. We'll cover this topic in detail in the next video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do so now to stay updated and not miss the next video. How to connect the router to the 2 networks. First, connect the WAN from the router to the switch from the main local network. Then, from the router LAN to the other uplink from the power over Ethernet switch. Change the IP range from the router to match the IP range from the second LAN from the NVR. 20.20.20. Now at the end, all the cabling should look like this. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video, where we'll guide you through programming the NVR and the REE router for a hassle-free installation and seamless remote service experience.
Waking up to neon skies, every moment's a surprise. Shake the dust off from your feet, bring the bass, we'll hit the street. City lights dance in the dark, beat drops heavy like a spark. Hands up high, let's touch the sky, with the best we'll never lie. Feel the groove, nothing left for us to prove. In the rhythm, find your quest, living life, we're with the best. Waves of sound crash on the shore, every note makes you want more. Heartbeat syncs with every pulse, lose yourself with little faults. Echoes bounce from wall to wall, free fall, diving, standing tall. Feel the rush inside your veins, let the music light the flames. Working easy, feel the groove, nothing left for us to prove. In the rhythm, find your quest, living life, we're with the best. Echoes bounce from wall to wall, free fall, diving, standing tall. Feel the rush inside your veins, let the music light the flames. The music light the flames.